having dinner in Greece. I put some food there. Ugh. You have to pull and twist at the same. Is it a tick? Yeah, probably. No, she's not biting you. You have to pull and then twist to the side like a... I don't know. Ah, it is a tick. There you go. Is it out?
Yeah.
Completely?
Yeah.
Ugh, shame. She looks happy that you do. Oh, never mind. Careful, babe. She'll bite you. Oh, her ear's bleeding now. Oh, shame. You can see where it was eating her. Shame. Thanks, babe. Ugh. She's very cross. She's giving me kisses. Yes,
Careful, it's wrong.
yes. Oh, oh, Philippe. Oh, Edna, Edna. Yes, ugh. The food was delicious. No?
I can't wait for your next vlog.
He told me I have to vlog again. I stopped. And now I started.
I will start.
Otherwise, Dimitris will start
I will
vlogging.
start better vlog.
Oh. Guys, if you come to Syros, this is amazing. 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 Very cute.
You. Me?
Dinner was amazing. No?
Very good.
Oh, severo. Sana. Sana. I'm Catwoman tonight. Stop shouting at Happy. It's his garden. Whoa. Shame. Happy just likes you. What dirty language. Shame. It's Friday. Be in good spirits. Yeah, she's very angry. Ooh. Woo! Babe, careful. Babe, be careful. Happy freaks out. Ooh, when Mitzo sleeps. Hi guys, I haven't spoken yet in this vlog. I went out for dinner yesterday with Mitos. I think I've added yesterday and the day before, so Wednesday and Thursday. I'm not exactly sure, but you'll see. I'm not going to talk as much in this vlog. I feel like just showing my experiences because it's so busy this week. I barely find time to breathe, let alone to vlog. It's Easter in Greece right now, so it's very hectic. I've also worked all week and I'm working on Saturday, so tomorrow as well. So a lot of work, a lot of activities, a lot of dinners, a lot of festivities as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next shots. I hope you're having an amazing day. I love you. Thank you so much for watching and see you later. Bear's coming with downtown. Bear. He's so handsome.
Not the only one. They're friends. They're having an investigation.
You didn't touch it.
Oh, beautiful shot, though.
He's not even trying. Shame, Bear! Bear! He's hilarious. This is what he wants.
How long do we get it?
Good luck trying to get it. Saturday, Plum. You're being a very good boy because you know she's scared of you. Good boy. We just cleaned the kitchen. You've got food outside, girl. No. Don't go. You know she's gonna run if you do. You know. What? Meow. What? Yeah. Are you helping mommy make a juice in her break? Do you want some ginger? Fresh ginger, apple, carrot, lemon, strawberries, and happy. It's Saturday today. I just finished work. I find myself not vlogging a lot recently because I've been having a lot of panic attacks. So yeah, that's why more still things that I'm doing in video than talking. Anyways, a little bit of reality. My hand's still shaking. Sorry about that. It's gonna rain also. Bye. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. See you in the next one. Love you.